Hello everyone, it's Jannat here and welcome back to my channel Polish Star. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to do a summer special nail art and this nail art is called Winternailart. So without any further delay, let's start with my today's tutorial. As a base polish, I have applied a sky blue nail polish on my ring and middle fingernail, and on top of it here I am doing gradient with two different shades of a sky blue nail polish. If you want an individual video on how to do gradient and ombre nail art, then please let me know in the comment section down below. For snow, I am applying a baby blue nail polish at the bottom side of my nails, or you can say at the tip of my nails. Now you may ask why snow in a summer theme nail art. Well, my nail art topic is winter and winter means summer plus winter. That's why I am adding snow. For clouds, I have added white nail polish with help of a tiny sponge, and I'm adding few trees in the background with a Bon Appetit stamping plate. I will add a snowman and a seaside bench on top of snow. And I filled up those images off camera because those images are so tiny and it's really hard for me to fill up them on camera. Now I'm drawing the sun with yellow and orange acrylic paint, and sun is most important because summer is not summer without sun. Here I have applied a glitter topper to look it like snowfall, but it doesn't look like snowfall. Totally waste of time. On my index and pinky fingernail I am applying a sand color nail polish, and on top of it I am applying a glitter topper. On my index and pinky fingernail, I am stamping some snowflakes using a stamping plate from Nicole Diary, and I am extremely sorry because I forgot to take photo of that stamping plate. But let me tell you that this stamping plate is that one which I used to do 3D red snowflakes nail art. On the tip of my index and pinky fingernail, I have drawn ocean waves using white and sky blue nail polish with help of a tiny sponge. I have stamped footprints and a goggle on top of sands to give it a summer vibe. And here I am finishing my nail art with a glossy top coat. This nail art was quite hard, but more hard was to do voiceover for this nail art. For this video actually, I was having some stammering problem when I am recording this video right now. So if I do any mistakes, please ignore it. And yeah, if you like my video, then share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.